Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is me, Myrna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, I'm here. I'm here outside in the house. It's a beautiful day. I want to speak up with you guys. I want to open my inner feeling because I want to ask you. I'm sure everybody can relate my story. I want to ask you, who are secretly in love, who are secretly in relationship, that the person that you are being with is in the public eye or he is famous, not because he is still married, you're stepping toes with his wife or with her husband. No, it's not that, but you keep it secret because your person is in the public eye, or your person is a very famous, not only famous, he is so known in the whole world, except maybe the little kid, young toddlers, you know what I mean. But this is what I'm going to ask you guys. How do you keep your relationship in secret, in private? How you able to go out in the public freely without nobody can notice that the person that you've been in is popular, is in the household name? It's hard, it's difficult. I'm sure you guys understand what I feel. This is what I feel because I know the person, he knows me, and I never even thought, it never came to my mind that I would be involved with this person that was very popular. He's in the household name, but I cannot talk to somebody else. Who is he? And I'm sure with him also. But we know each other. We know we're both in love, and the guys and the person that I'm with, he's in love and he's honest and loyal, but we just have to keep in secret. I know we've been dealing very hard time in our life, in our relationship, because we both wanted to walk in the public. We wanted to go out in the public, but we can't because we have to keep it private. Not because we're afraid. It is because he's protecting my security, my privacy, and I'm also protecting him because of his status. He's holding a higher position. But, I have to remain silent with our relationship. But now I'm talking about you guys because I wanted to ask you, if who are in my situation, what would you do? How will you handle? I want to ask you guys if you can give me a suggestion or comments or something. Not because I don't know what to do. I know what to do, but I just want to share my feelings to all of you guys. Is how I feel when you are hiding somebody else that you love the most, and he's hiding also that he loved me, but we can just talk to everybody or anybody about us because of his status, of his privacy, of his security reason. That's all. And I'm sure that you can relate to me, and everybody knows the feeling. And I'm sure that you guys understand. Yes, really, it's not because that the person that I'm talking about, he is married or I'm married. I'm widow, and he's married before, but he was divorced already. And it's not that he's afraid to come out, but we always talk in a perfect time. We have to bring out our relationship in the public. Not we're announcing, but we just have to do it like we can go out already in the public freely, but we don't have to announce. He don't have to announce, oh, I'm in the relationship with this something. Just to go out somebody in the public, that without any worries that, oh, what if there's a paparazzi, there's a reporter, there's somebody would recognize him. And of course, if somebody would recognize him, I'm with him. So I don't have any more privacy. So I cannot walk freely already. Or maybe I'll be the target of his enemies. Who knows? Who knows? But I'm sure the person that I'm with, he's a very good person. He's a very loyal and loving person. We're very uh, religious person, prayerful person. He's full of integrity. That's his thing, and loyalty, and he's a selfless person, and he cares everybody, and he's very high respected person, and I know how much he loved me, and I love him so much too, unconditionally, and him too. I know that well so much, but we'll just have to keep it secret. But here I am. But I'm not discussing who, I'm not disclosing his name. I just keep it secret. I just want to know, give me an advice, how you able to keep it so private, how you maintain, if you guys in my situation, if you were in my shoes, how you able to keep your privacy, your secret relationship until you guys would able to walk already in the public. You would able to go out in the public without any worries, any hesitant. So if you guys know, give me comments down below, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my story, I can continue about our journey together, undercover lovers. But we know that we are not betraying anybody else. We don't step toes anybody else. We're not hurting to any person, to somebody else, because we're free. We're free, but the only problem that we have is he is in the public eye. He's famous. He's a household name. And also, nobody knows that he was divorced. He keep that in private, and it's not their business anymore if he wanted to be like that, and I respect that his decision about that, and I don't have problem about it. I'm just here just to share my inner feeling, because I know everybody can relate what I feel. If you're in my situation, if you are in what I've been dealing with. Okay guys, I love you so much, and thank you for liking and sharing my videos and watching my videos. And I will post another if you want to continue our journey together until we can expose to the public. I will continue. Let me know, comment down below. And I love you, and take care of yourself. God bless you all. I love you. Take care. Bye.